Hello and welcome back to the channel Upper Job. Today once again I am coming with the latest job openings from German. I hope you all of know that German is a European country. So if you are interested to apply for this job, please keep watching this video till the end and focus what is the latest job openings from German and what is the applying process. Everything details I will explain you in this video. So let's start. As you know, European country is the best place to live and work. So I hope you will get a good chance from these informations and I hope you will crack the interview and you can get these jobs by these informations. So let me explain what is the latest job openings from German and what is the applying process. Let's start. The first job, hospitality manager required in German. Let's focus what is the job duties or the responsibilities for these positions. Recruiting, training, and supervising staff, managing budgets, maintaining statistical and financial records, planning maintenance, work events and room bookings, handling customers' complaints and queries, promoting and marketing the business, ensuring compliance with health and safety legislations and licensing laws. To apply, contact please this office. So this office is in New Delhi in India. If you are belonging from India, you can directly visit to the office. You can ask about the requirements. If you are out of India, you can directly contact by the email ID, official email ID. You can send your questions. Also, you can directly contact in by this contact numbers. So, if you are interested to apply for these jobs to work as a hospitality manager, and if you have the proper qualifications and experience to apply for these jobs, don't be late. The first step, you can directly visit to the office, and the second step, you can contact by the official email ID, and step 3, you can contact by the numbers. So if you are interested, if you have the proper qualifications, don't be late, apply as soon as possible by visiting this office, otherwise you can directly contact them by their contact numbers and ask about the requirements and confirm about the job openings. Let's start the next job, storekeeper required in German. So if you are interested to apply to work as a storekeeper, as you can see here, freshers can apply. That means if you don't have any experience in the relevant field, also you can apply. You will get government visa with family status, degree, master's candidates requirements, transportation is provided by company, working the 6 days per week with family for accommodations, duty hours 10 hours plus 8 hours fixed plus 2 hour fixed overtimes. Call in the options by these numbers. Job duties: keep a record of sales and restock the store accordingly, manage and train store staff, plan promotional campaigns for new products or specials, ensure that the store is kept clean and organized, mediate and conversations between staff and clients and de-escalate the situations. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience to work as a storekeeper, and if you don't have also any experience, also you can apply, but you should have the proper qualifications to apply for these jobs. If you are interested to apply for these jobs to work as a storekeeper in German, please visit to the office. The same process, the same office, you can directly contact, you can directly contact by the email ID, you can directly contact by the phone numbers and ask about the requirements. And let's focus on next job, meet delegates from University of Applied Science. Sorry, this is not the job. Going to sharing about the information which is related to study visa and study in German. I hope this is the additional information for you, that's why I'm sharing with you. So please start. Meet delegates from University of Applied Science German, November. Meet delegates with Jafra from University of Applied Science, German. So, if you are interested to apply or if you are interested to study in German, I hope this information will be helpful for you. Free German language classes, IELTS not mandatory, scholarship available, sport profile assessments, direct entry of bachelor's program. So, if you want to study in German, please contact in the official address. This is the official websites, official Facebook link, official LinkedIn, official contact numbers, everything, the details to apply for a study visa or to apply for a study in German. I hope this additional information will be helpful for you and for your friends, for your relatives. That's why I'm sharing with you. So if you are interested to study in German, this information will be give you the good information, the best contact, the best office to apply for a study visa and to apply to going to German with a study. So in this video today, I already shared with you two jobs, hospitality manager, next storekeeper. If you are interested, you can directly contact to the office. You can directly visit to the office and apply as soon as possible. One thing keep in mind, never give a single money to any persons. As I already told in my previous videos, never give a single money to any persons without confirmations of jobs. Please keep in mind, I'm telling you again and again. Please keep in mind. So first of all, you have to visit to the office. You have to ask, you have to verify about the requirements. If you are satisfied with applying for these jobs, then only you can apply. You can attend the interview and you can proceed forward to get these jobs in German. And this information also will be helpful for you, for your friends, for your brothers, for your sisters who want to study in German. This is the best option to apply for study visa in German. You can directly contact to the office. You can, take a advisement and take a suggestions how to apply, and everything details in front of you. As you can see here, the campus is Berlin. The directly entry of to bachelor's program after 12th. After 12 you can apply for this study visa, and also you can get a good chance to get a job in German after complete your study. So this is a best chance. So friends, the amount of study, the price of study, I cannot explain you. Once you contact to the office, they will guide you. They will give you the informations about the processing fees, about the study fees, everything details. They will give you the informations. So friends, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. In the next video, I'll come with the latest openings from another country, and if I will get any additional information, also I will share with you. So don't be worried for that. My request, please share this information to your friends and relatives. Maybe this information will be helpful for their careers. That's why I'm giving you the latest job openings from German. If you are interested, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. One thing again, I would like to tell here: all information in front of you, I already shared in the descriptions under this video. So you can get these informations from the descriptions under this video, and you can read it by yourselves. Then it will be easy to get all informations regarding the latest job openings from German. So friends, finally, I would like to tell you lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, I'll come with a latest job openings from another country in the next video. So up to that, best of luck. God bless you. Bye bye.